Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday.
It's time.
And today we have Dwayne's ZOA Healthy Warrior Energy Drink Zero Sugar, the Wild Orange.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
Yummy, exactly. So Wild Orange, 160 milligrams of natural caffeine in there. So let's read. Coffee beans and tea leaves, tea extract. Yeah, that green tea extract. Anyways, let's go for the important factoids here. Because it says 15 lovely little calories, 200 milligrams of sodium, 3 grams of carbohydrate. Grams, I'm not sure what a gram is, but grams of carbohydrate. We got 80 milligrams of potassium, 90 milligrams of vitamin C, 0.3 milligrams of riboflavin, 0.3 milligrams of thiamine, yeah, that. 16 milligrams of niacin, 1.7 milligrams of B6, 2.4 micrograms of B12, 100 milligrams of folate, 1.3 milligrams of some lovely acid, 10 milligrams of magnesium, ooh, that's a new one, and 20 milligrams of the choline, or choline, whichever way you want to pronounce that too. So, yep, and 160 milligrams of caffeine. So, let's give this a taste. So, Wild Orange. When I hear wild orange and not, when I hear wild orange and not regular orange, I'm thinking more tangerine, I think.
Yeah.
Ooh, it smells fresh.
Got punch to it.
Wow. They should have called it just orange juice. I just squeezed that orange. That's what it's happened. Wow.
Yeah.
And luckily it's not super sour either, so that's nice for that.
Yeah,
Wow.
Yeah, I think it's pretty good.
That is a fresh orange.
Mm-hmm.
Woo! That's a good flavor. I like it.
What do you think compared to the blueberry?
I don't remember that one at the exact moment, but that is definitely good because it gets you that little bit of sour from what the actual orange would taste, but then it sweetens and softens it just a bit. It's like that is a good taste there.
Yeah. They end up being one of my favorites.
Yeah, because it's like I'm drinking straight orange juice.
Yeah.
With carbonation.
Exactly. And a lot of caffeine and vitamins.
Wow. That is a good plain taste. I like that very, very, very much.
Yeah. I don't know if it's quite as good as a rowdy orange, but it's still good.
Yeah, those two definitely different for sure.
Now if they merge that with the mango, could be even better.
Yeah, get a little bit of do a cream float.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's.
But right off the bat though,
That is wow.
It tastes good room temperature. It tastes good cold. So
yeah,
that's what I like about it too.
Wow, that is good. I like that very, very, very much. That's definitely SRD United all the way top, because I can go and grab that anytime and feel good about drinking my energy drink orange juice.
Yeah.
Ow,
exactly.
that is good. Okay, guys. I would suggest trying that out because that tastes really, really good. And if you're a fan of the regular orange juice taste, you're gonna like that because that is orange juice right there. So, really good. So, anyways, guys, thanks, guys, for watching. It was you guys here next time. Bye-bye.